Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at playlists and how we can organize them. I'm very bad at organizing my playlists. I tend to just run my video, upload my video, and then it saves in just one playlist. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to move one video from one playlist to another playlist, just to make sure that your playlists are segregated, specific to what the content is, etc. Okay, just open up your channel, and on the top you'll have a list of sections. Go to playlists. Okay, then what you do is find the playlist that has all the videos in that you want to move. For me, it's Assassin's Creed. As you know, I play a lot of Assassin's Creed games. Hopefully you're watching them. So click on View Playlist. So that'll come up with all the list of what the content is in that playlist. Okay, so what you would do then, I would always go to the top one. All right, and this is how I do it. You might be able to do it differently, but click on the three dots at the end. Okay, and then click Save to Playlist. That will give you a list of all the playlists you have. Okay, and because this one is Origins, okay, what I would do then is I would scroll through to find Assassin's Creed Origins, which is ticked, which is great, but then I would untick Assassin's Creed, because that's the playlist that it's in now. Okay, I want it in Assassin's Creed Origins. Okay, then I just click back onto the main screen. Okay, then I'll go back to the three dots and remove from Assassin's Creed, and that one's gone out of that playlist, and it's been moved into the correct playlist. So let's try that again. What we've got here is Assassin's Creed 2. Click the three dots, save to playlist, scroll through, try and find Assassin's Creed 2, which is here. Click on that, unclick Assassin's Creed, and press on the main screen. Then remove from the Assassin's Creed. Job done. Okay, so what we'll do then is we'll come back to our playlists. Okay, we'll have a look at Origins, for instance, because we know we've moved one to there. And we'll view the full playlist, and as you can see, the one we moved, Pegasus No Wings, is there. Okay. We also moved one to Assassin's Creed 2, which was this one, and there you go. There it is. If you like the channel, please subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Please share and like. Please make a comment, good or bad, I don't mind. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one. See you soon.